Top 10 Weight Loss Tips. Myths abound in the weight loss market. People are frequently told to perform all kinds of odd activities, the majority of which are unsupported by evidence. However, scientists have discovered a number of ways that appear to be beneficial over time. 1. Drink plenty of water, particularly before meals. It's a common belief that drinking water may help you lose weight, and it's accurate. Water can increase your metabolism by 24 to 30% for 1 to 1.5 hours, allowing you to burn a few extra calories. In one research, dieters who drank a half-liter, 17 ounces, of water around half an hour before meals ate 44% less calories and lost 44% more weight than those who didn't. 2. Start your day with eggs for breakfast. Eating whole eggs has a variety of health advantages, including weight loss. According to research, substituting a grain-based breakfast with eggs will help you eat less calories over the next 36 hours while also losing weight and body fat. It's alright if you don't eat eggs. For breakfast, any high-quality protein source should do. 3. Consume coffee, preferably black, and green tea. Coffee has been wrongfully vilified. High-quality coffee is high in antioxidants and can provide several health advantages. Caffeine in coffee has been shown in studies to enhance metabolism by 3 to 11% and fat burning by 10 to 29%. Just avoid adding a lot of sugar or other high-calorie items to your coffee. This will utterly eliminate any advantages. Green tea, like coffee, has several advantages, one of which is weight loss. Though green tea contains trace quantities of caffeine, it is high in potent antioxidants known as catechins, which are thought to function in tandem with caffeine to boost fat burning. Although the data is conflicting, numerous studies demonstrate that drinking green tea, or taking a green tea extract supplement, can help you lose weight. 4. Consume less refined carbohydrates. Sugar and grains that have been stripped of their fibrous, nutritive portions, are examples of refined carbs. White bread and spaghetti are examples of them. According to research, refined carbohydrates can cause a quick jump in blood sugar, resulting in hunger, cravings, and increased food consumption a few hours later. Obesity is significantly connected to the use of refined carbohydrates. If you're going to consume carbohydrates, make sure you eat them with fiber. 5. Experiment with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern in which people alternate between fasting and eating periods. Intermittent fasting appears to be equally beneficial for weight loss as continuous calorie restriction in short-term research. Furthermore, it may minimize the muscle mass loss that is commonly linked with low-calorie diets. However, higher quality investigations are required before making any firmer statements. 6. Follow low-carbohydrate diet. If you want to reap all of the benefits of carbohydrate restriction, consider going all in and committing to a low-carb diet. Numerous studies demonstrate that this type of diet can help you lose 2 to 3 times as much weight as a traditional low-fat diet while also boosting your health. 7. Consume more fiber, vegetables and fruits. Fiber is frequently suggested for weight reduction. Although the data is conflicting, some studies demonstrate that fiber, particularly viscous fiber, can promote satiety and help you regulate your weight in the long run. Vegetables and fruits have a number of qualities that make them great weight reduction foods. They are low in calories yet high in fiber. Because of their high water content, they have low energy density and are highly filling. According to studies, those who consume veggies and fruits tend to weigh less. These foods are also high in nutrients, thus consuming them is beneficial to your health. 8. Portion control or calorie counting. For obvious reasons, portion management, just eating less, or calorie tracking can be quite beneficial. According to some research, maintaining a food diary or photographing your meals might help you lose weight. Anything that makes you more conscious of what you eat is going to be good. 9. Lift weights and engage in aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise, cardio, is a great strategy to burn calories while also improving your physical and mental health. It appears to be especially efficient in reducing belly fat, the harmful fat that tends to accumulate around your organs and trigger metabolic disorders. One of the most serious adverse effects of dieting is muscle loss and metabolic slowdown, which is referred to as starvation mode. The easiest method to avoid this is to engage in some form of resistance training, such as weightlifting. Weightlifting, according to studies, can help maintain your metabolism high and prevent you from losing valuable muscle mass. Of course, you don't simply want to shed fat, you also want to gain muscle, so resistance exercise is essential for achieving a toned body. 10. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep is vastly underappreciated, yet it may be equally as vital as eating right and exercising. Poor sleep has been related to an 89% greater risk of obesity in children and a 55% increased risk of obesity in adults, according to studies. Finally, losing weight and altering your lifestyle needs patience, commitment, tenacity and resilience.